Good afternoon, everyone. We are so excited to be with you here today to show you the Baker Hill NextGen banker application and how within just a few minutes, every banker in your institution will be able to turn a day-to-day conversation with a commercial business into a profitable loan opportunity. Now, for 38 years, Baker Hill has been empowering financial institutions to work smarter and make better and faster credit risk decisions, as well as improve their customer interaction. But when it comes to commercial and small business clients, many financial institutions struggle with how to turn those day-to-day conversations into a profitable loan. What we find is that they lack the experience at the enterprise level for every banker to understand how to structure those business needs and how to get the appropriate loan. And this results in many missed opportunities. But today we're going to show you how simple it is. Susanna's going to be my banker, and I'm going to be a small business owner that just happened to walk into the branch.
Mike, is there anything else I can help you with today?
You know what? Actually, we're looking to purchase some new equipment for our office.
Okay, some new equipment for your business. And how much are you thinking?
$50,000 should do it for us, thanks.
Sounds good.
So with a purpose-driven product selection, Susanna's able to narrow in into exactly what's the correct product and solution for my business needs. Your bankers do not need to worry about whether or not it's a revolving line of credit, a term loan, or any of the things that would be around the structuring of that loan. Because behind the scenes, the logic is actually making those decisions for them. All they have to do is follow the prompts and guides.
Mike, while you're here, would you also like to add a corporate credit card?
That would be fantastic. It would give me more flexibility. So in a no-code environment, your system administrators will be able to define the complexity or the simplicity of every one of their loan applications, only asking the questions and getting the details that they need. We can also support every one of your upsell and cross-sell opportunities, making it so you can truly maximize those engagements with your small businesses. Now, the Baker Hill Banker application is part of the overall Baker Hill NextGen ecosystem. What this means is that your bankers will be able to quickly and easily do a search on all your existing business clients and bring back that full 360-degree relationship.
Mike, could you verify for me that your address is still at 492 Kohler Street? And are you going to have anyone else sign today?
That is my correct address, and I'm going to be the only one signing. Thank you. So at this point, your bankers are simply validating data. We've eliminated the need for additional data entry or any rekeying that could result in a possible data error.
Mike, I see that you already have some collateral with us. Would you like to use it in addition to your new collateral? I think it'll help the approval process.
Let's go ahead and do that. It will make it go faster. Thank you. So again, with that 360 holistic view that I have of the customer's relationship, I'm now able to see what their collateral is also with the bank. This helps me to minimize the risk because now I can create cross-collateralization moments. Again, with the configurable nature, I can make the application as simple or as complex as I need to make it. You notice that for the equipment financing, we're asking a few additional questions around what am I going to actually pledge as collateral. When it came to the credit card, there was no questions asked because that's not part of my credit policies. So I made it as simple as possible. Now, the solution also enables us to address all of your digital initiatives. With the mobile design of the banker application, your bankers can be having these conversations with your businesses anywhere, at any time. They can be having it at the branch, they can be having it at the business location, they can be having this conversation at their home office or at a Starbucks near you. It truly supports business anywhere at any time. We also allow you to have complete control over the compliance aspects of these applications. This is so critically important, especially in our ever-changing regulatory environment that we find ourselves in, especially when you think about the Section 1071 small business data capturing regulation that's going to be coming out and the change in the frequency that you'll have to gather that data. This ensures that your financial institution is absolutely positively compliant with every application, and you have the confidence that every one of those compliant checkboxes are complete. Also, for the small business owner, this is a huge plus because now they're only getting the disclosures that they need and not this entire blanket coverage of disclosures that's often handed to them when they do business with a bank. So at this point, we have this application. It's totally complete. It's validated. It's compliant. It's now ready to be submitted. So we're going to go ahead and submit this to the Baker Hill NextGen business solution right now. So we're going to pause, and Suzanne is going to change roles. She's going to go from being someone at the branch to being someone that's going to make a credit decision. She's going to be an underwriter. So at this point, we see that application that we captured in just a few minutes. It's all here and ready for her to go ahead and make a decision so that she can go ahead and get back to that small business owner. There are no gaps. The credit policies have been checked. There's no additional data that I need from the small business owner. I've removed all the friction between the point of application and the point of decisioning. This is the absolute power of the Baker Hill NextGen banker application. To remove that friction from the point that your bankers are working with business clients and capturing that application all the way to the point of final decision and getting back with the small business owner. So now you've seen how in just a few minutes we were able to show how a natural conversation could turn into a profitable loan. The Baker Hill banker application removes the gaps that often crop up in that process and make business happen. So stop by, visit us on the web, and learn why Baker Hill has been the trusted advisor to over 400 institutions that look to expand their small business needs. And let's make business happen for you as well. Thank you.